Well, today we're going to head out to Mount Franklin. We've been there several times before. We have done videos of it before, but I've never sent the drone up around Mount Franklin, and it's a pretty stunning place. It's also pretty close to where we live, and it's a lead up to Christmas, so we're not going to go out too far. We've got a lot of things on in the next few weeks, so this is just a little shakedown trip. Get out there, enjoy the weather. It's beautiful today, and yeah, we'll take you along for the ride. So stick with us. Let's get on it. So here we are at Mount Franklin. So we're all set up under the trees. So we're hoping that our solar manages to keep up, because Tanya's obviously likes to consume electricity quite a bit. Dogs are all happy. They're all chilled. I'll take you for a little walk around to show you what they've been doing here. So they've been working on this for, oh God, it must be 2 years now. Okay, so Mount Franklin, its Aboriginal name is Lalgambuk. Lalgambuk. So obviously what they've done is they've done quite a lot of work here to make it, to recognise its Aboriginal heritage and make it more suitable for day and camping visitors. So over here used to be where the old toilets were, and they were just wooden. Weren't particularly nice, but they served a function. They're just long drop, and what they've put in now is this lot. So obviously you've got water. It's not potable, it's off the roof, but it's still water. And then you've got these nice toilet blocks, which are, again, they look like they're probably long drops. Yeah, someone's left one open, but they are long drops. Disabled there as well. And then, to make it nice for the day visitors, looks like they built a day bed there. And they are clearing quite a bit of the wood to make it bigger, the area bigger. Yeah, so there's a day bed there, look. A bench, whatever you want to call it. Some native grass has been planted. And then over here, a little rotunda and seating area. Very right, going under here. But yeah. So I have done quite a lot to increase the appeal of the area, and it is quite nice. It is a nice area. I will send the drone up later, just so you can get an aerial shot of it, because this is actually inside a extinct, I believe it's extinct volcano, the crater. And although this can be very busy at times, today is not. So we managed to find a spot, no problem. There's still quite a few spots left. But yeah, There is the circuit walk that takes you right up around the crater and the top that you can do. Another little bench here. Fire pits have been put in all the way around. Quite a few of those. But yeah, done a beautiful job of it. So we've just had a bit of a tree fall, which is always something worth bearing in mind when you're camping. Over here, so I'll turn the camera around to show you. Heard it come down with quite a crash. You can see there's a lot of trees down here. I think I think most of them have been cut actually. But as you can see up there in the woods, there's one that's broken and it's just come crashing down. But there's plenty of wood here. If you had a chainsaw, you could you'd have plenty of firewood. Well, we've got the hillbilly fire going. It's Saturday morning. We're going to I think we're going to pack up today and go home. We've got things to do at home. We were going to go to some vineyards, but yeah, the weather's turned pretty lousy. It's been warm, but been getting quite a lot of rain. So yeah, we've got the fire pit lit. We'll do breakfast on that. But yeah, they've done a really good job of updating this place and making it a bit more usable. Toilets are nice, they're clean. They don't smell. They are drop toilets, but they're still pretty good. going on, my love?
Cleaning.
It's unusual for you.
Cheeky. Just doing the washing up because nobody else does it. It seems to magically just do itself.
You've got fairies that do that.
They are, and they put it away and dry it. Funny enough.
Fairies.
Must be. And getting our bacon butties ready as well.
Oh.
So as you would before.
Looks like it's time for breakfast. Fire's going good. Got this blooming. We've had COVID, and got a head full of catarrh and just generally feeling crap. And that was 2 weeks ago. So yeah, first time for us. Fire's going good. A bit of heat into it.
Which is pulling the mirrors out. We're heading off home. Lalgambuk.
Lalgambuk.
Yeah, whatever. Mount Franklin is much easier. Hi guys, we're heading home. We're going home a bit earlier than we thought we would because the weather's a little bit wet and I'd rather get over COVID in the comfort of my home, not get pneumonia on top of everything else.
Yeah.
So we've had a very restful couple of days at Mount Franklin. They've renamed it Lalgambuk.
I don't think they've renamed it. I think that's its Aboriginal name.
Oh well, whatever.
So I think that was its original name.
But now it is what it is. But it was very restful, very peaceful. Lots of open spaces for camping.
It's good. They've done a good job.
Yeah.
Really clean toilets. There's water here, even though it is tank water, but there's still water to wash up and whatever else.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come and have a look. If you're in the area, come and have a look. There's plenty to do in the area.
And if you like what you've seen, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and that bell icon to notify you of new content.
Yep.
Drop your comments down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We love hearing what you have to say.
Yep. And remember, subscribing's free. Costs you nothing, but it does support the channel. Catch you on the next one. Have a good Christmas.